Okay, in our last class we are discussed the problems regarding construction of analytic function. Here also we have a problems on the same. So if f of z equal to if f of z equal to u plus iv is analytic, find f of z if u minus v is x minus y into x square plus y 4xy plus y square. So by using this solve the we have to find the analytic function. U minus v is there, multiply that x by whole thing, that will becomes x cube plus 4x square y plus xy square. Next multiply the same with minus y, minus x square y minus 4xy square minus y. Simplify this. U minus v equal to x cube minus y cube, here 4x square y minus x square y plus 3x square y, xy square minus 4x y square minus 3xy square. U minus v is there, so differentiate partially with respect to both x and y. Ux vx, that is equal to 3x square, y differentiation 0 plus 6xy, 3x square differentiation 2x, that will become 6xy minus x differentiation 1, write 3y square as it is. Ux minus vx equal to 3x square plus 6xy minus 3y square. Call it as equation number 1. So here next differentiate the same with respect to y partially. Uy minus vy, y x differentiation 1 minus 3y square plus y differentiation 1, write 3x square as it is. Here 6xy, this will become y square 2y into 3x minus 6xy. U suffix y minus v suffix y equal to minus 3y square plus 3x square minus 6xy. Change this to u suffix x and v suffix x by using Cauchy-Riemann equations, by CR equations. Ux equal to vy and vx equal to minus uy. So replace this uy with minus vx and vy with ux. So minus vx, here write in place of vy write ux minus 3y square plus 3x square minus 6xy. Multiply this with negative sign, vx plus ux equal to 3y square minus 3x square plus 6y. Call it as equation number 2. For ux and vx, first add these two equations, adding 1 and 2. Adding equation number 1 and 2. Write that equation number 1 as it is. Ux minus vx equal to 3x square plus 6xy minus 3y square. Write that second equation. Write this as ux plus vx. Here vx plus ux is there. Write ux plus vx, 3y square minus 3x square plus 6xy. If we add these two, if we add these two, if this plus vx minus vx get cancelled, 2ux equal to, here plus 3x square minus 3x square minus 3y square plus 3y square, this will become 6xy 12xy, 2 ones are 2 6 are, ux is 6xy. This is our u suffix x, 6xy. Next, if we subtract 1 and 2, write that 1 and 2 as it is. Ux minus Vx equal to 3x square plus 6xy minus 3y square. Ux plus Vx equal to 3y square minus 3x square plus 6xy. If we subtract these two, the sign will changes. Here plus is there, minus, 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 here plus, here minus. This plus ux minus vx get cancelled. So ux, this will becomes minus 2 times vx. Here plus 6xy minus 6xy get cancelled. 3x square plus 3x square, 6x square, minus 3y square minus 3y square minus 6y square. So next, Vx equal to, this 6 is common, x square minus y square. Here minus 2 is there. So 3 is a, multiply that with negative sign. Minus 3x square plus 3y square. Write that positive term first. 3y square minus 3x square. This is our Vx. Here Ux is there. So we know that f dash of z is f ux plus I vx. F of z is u plus iv. Differentiate that with respect to x partially. So ux is 6xy plus I into vx, 3y square minus 3x square. By Milne-Thomson substitutions, put x equal to z and y equal to 0. Here 6z y 0, I into 3y square 0 square, 3z square. Here 0, this is also 0, minus 3z square I. This is our f dash of z. Integrate this. Now will becomes f of z, f dash of z will becomes f of z. So minus 3, if we integrate z square, what is our integration of z square is z cube by 3 into I plus c. 3 get cancelled. Minus z cube by plus c is our required analytic function. This is how we have to evaluate this problem. Here the main thing is partial differentiation. Go through this. The next, these two are also, this is first one is the, here we have a two standard results on analytic function. We have to prove this by using f. Here they given, if f of z is analytic, show that dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square of modulus of f of z whole square equal to 4 times f dash of z whole square. So here we have to prove this. Here they given, here given f of z. What is our f of z? F of z is u plus iv. U plus iv is analytic. Is analytic. So here next we have to find the modulus of this. But instead of, we have to find modulus of f of z whole square here. So first we have to find modulus of z. So what is our modulus of z? Square root of u square plus v square. Modulus of any complex number, real, square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. So here modulus of f of z whole square is there. Squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. Both the sides. This will becomes u square plus v square. U square plus v square. So call this as phi. Call this as phi. Here phi is u square plus v square. Substitute this. Here instead of write this modulus of f of z whole square, we write this as phi. Here to now to show that, here this is our given result, to show that dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square Instead of writing this modulus of f of z whole square, we write this as phi. 4 times modulus of here f dash of z is there, write that as it is. Here multiply that with phi, dou square phi by dou x square, dou square phi by dou y square, that is equal to 4 times modulus of f dash of z whole square. This is, instead of writing dou square phi by dou x square, write this as phi xx plus phi yy, that is 4 times modulus of f dash of z wholes. We have proved this. We are going to prove this. Instead of writing all those things, we have to write these two are equal now. By using this, here f of z is analytic, find the modulus and square, call that as phi. So here phi is u square plus v square, substitute that. Now we have to prove this result. These two are equivalent now. Here we have, now consider this phi equal to u square plus v square is there. So if we substitute second order, if we find second order partial derivatives of both x and y, then add these two, we will get 4 times modulus of f dash of z whole square. Modulus of f dash of z whole square. So differentiate this. Differentiate partially with respect to x. Differentiate partially with respect to x. So this phi x equal to, here u is there, u square differentiation 2u, u differentiation u suffix x, that is dou u by dou x, plus 2v v suffix x, v suffix x, v suffix x. Here again differentiate this partially with respect to x, that is phi xx equal to write 2 outside, we have 2 common in both the terms, 2 outside. Here u is there, we have to apply product rule here. Write first function, u is a function of x, ux is also a function of x, so write u as it is, ux differentiation uxx, write ux as it is, u differentiation ux, plus similarly for v as it is, v differentiation vxx, so plus vx as it is, v differentiation vx. This is our phi xx, 2 times uxx, this will becomes ux whole square, vxx plus vx whole square, vx whole square. Vx whole square. So similarly for phi yy, here similarly these two are, u square plus v square is a symmetric function. Similarly we have to write this 2 times, instead of writing x we have to write y here. For y, write uyy plus uy square vyy vy square, vy square. Now adding these two, so this is adding phi xx plus phi yy, that is equal to, here 2 times uxx plus ux square vxx vx square plus again 2 times uyy uy square vyy vy square. Here and here f of z is analytic. F of z equal to u plus iv is analytic. If the given function is analytic, then we have a CR equations. Then we have a Cauchy-Riemann equations. Cauchy-Riemann equations. So that is ux equal to vy and vx equal to minus uy. Here we have a Cauchy-Riemann equations. Next, we have another property of harmonic function. I will told that in the last video, that is harmonic functions. We have a property of harmonic function. Harmonic function. The property is the real and imaginary part of an analytic function are harmonic. Here u and v are real and imaginary parts. If u is harmonic, that is Laplace equation satisfied. Dou square phi by u is harmonic, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equal to 0. And v is harmonic, dou square v by dou x square plus dou square v by dou y square equal to 0. Instead of writing this, u suffix xx plus u suffix yy equal to 0. Here v suffix xx plus v suffix yy. These two are properties of harmonic function. These two are properties of harmonic function. So using CR equations and properties of harmonic function, from this here phi xx plus phi yy equal to 2 times, here 2 is common in both the terms. Both the terms. Uxx, I will write the same here, ux square plus vxx plus vx square plus uyy plus uy square vyy plus vy square. Here in this and this term u is common, we are left with uxx plus uyy. In these two terms v is common, write vxx plus vyy. Here ux square uy square, vx square vy square is there, write that as it is, ux square uy square vx square plus vy square. Here real and imaginary part of an analytic function are harmonic. By using these two equations, this will become 0. uxx uyy equal to 0, vxx vyy equal to 0. Here the first two terms will become 0. By Cauchy-Riemann equations, we have to change this whole thing to y or x. Here we have CR equations, ux equal to vy and vx equal to minus uy. Write ux square as it is. In place of uy, we have to write minus vx. That is minus vx whole square. Write vx as it is. In place of vy, here vy, we have to write ux. So that is ux square. Here in place of uy minus vx square, vy ux square. So 2 times ux square, here minus whole square, that will also becomes plus vx square ux square. Here 2 times ux square 2 ux square 2 vx square. So that is, write 2 outside, ux square plus vx square. This is our phi of xxx plus phi of yp. Here we know that f of z is u plus iv. Here f of z is u plus iv. What is our f dash of z? f dash of z means differentiate partially with respect to x, ux plus I vx. If we find the modulus of this, modulus of f dash of z, what it will becomes square root of ux square, real part square plus imaginary square. If we square this, squaring on both the sides, so f dash of z whole square, that will become square root get cancelled, ux square plus vx square. In place of ux square plus vx square, we write modulus of f dash of z whole square. Modulus of f dash of z whole square. This is our required result. Phi xx plus phi yy is modulus 4 times modulus of. That means phi xx means here from this here phi xx is dou square phi by dou x square. We are go to the previous. Instead of proving this, here we prove this here. Here modulus of f of z whole square means that is phi. So instead of writing this, we have to prove this. Here the main thing is we have to convert this to phi, and after that we have to differentiate that phi partially with respect to x 2 times, that is we have to find the second order. Here we have to use the here this is also the main thing, CR equations and properties of harmonic function. Use this to substitute that here, that will cancel, and this will give the required result. So the next is also same. Next is also same. If f of z is a regular function of z, a regular means analytic. Regular means analytic function of z. Show that dou by dou x of f of z modulus of f of z whole square plus dou by dou y of modulus of f of z whole square, that is equal to modulus of f dash of z whole square. In previous, that is 4 times. Here the modulus of f of z multiplied with this is whole square, dou by dou x of f of z whole square. Here first order partial derivatives. In previous, that is second order partial derivative. So this is also same. By using analytic function, we have to prove this. Here given f of z, that is equal to u plus iv is analytic. Is analytic. Is analytic. Here we have to find modulus of f of z. So modulus of f of z is square root of u square plus v square. Now here modulus of f of z is required, so call this as phi. Here phi is square root of u square plus v square. Squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. Phi square equal to u square plus v square. So here instead of proving all these things, to show that dou by dou x of, here in place of modulus of f of z, we write that as phi. Phi whole square plus dou phi by dou y whole square, that is equal to modulus of f of z whole square. Dou phi by dou x is phi x square plus phi y square equal to modulus of f dash z whole square. Now we have to prove this, or to show that these two are equivalent. Now these first result, the given result, and these two are equivalent. So to show this, here phi is there, phi square is there. For easy purpose of easy differentiation, I will convert this into phi square. So here consider phi square equal to, consider phi square equal to u square plus v square. Here we required only first order partial derivatives, that is differentiate with respect to partially with respect to x. What it will becomes? Phi square differentiation 2 phi with respect to x, phi x. Phi x. So here u square differentiation 2u u suffix x plus 2v v suffix x. 2 will get cancelled. Phi x, that is equal to u ux plus 2v vx. Call this as 1. Similarly for y, phi y, this is our symmetric function. Write that directly. Phi y equal to u suffix y plus, here 2 also get cancelled. So v suffix y. v suffix y. v suffix y. Now here the required result is phi x square plus phi y square is there. So here phi x, phi y is there. Squaring and adding equation number 1 and 2. Squaring and adding. Squaring and adding equation number 1 and 2. Squaring and adding equation number 1 and 2. So if we square phi x whole square plus, here phi x is ux plus vx whole square, squaring and adding phi y whole square. So plus uuy plus vvy whole square. This will becomes phi square phi x square plus phi square phi y square. Now this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a square is u square ux square plus v square vx square plus u square uy square, sorry, 2ab. Now we have to here a plus b whole square, a square plus b square, 2ab, 2ux v vx. So again, for similarly for the second term also we have to apply the same a plus b whole square, u square uy square v square vy square plus 2ab again, 2u uy v vy. Here phi square is common, phi x square plus phi y square. Here for these two terms, u square is common. Write ux square plus uy square as it is. For these two terms, v square is common, vx square plus vy square. Here we have different ux, here y is there. Write that as it is, ux vx plus 2uuy vy. By CR equation, the given function is analytic, given f of z is analytic, or regular or holomorphic, whatever may be analytic. We have a CR equations. We have Cauchy-Riemann equations. So here Cauchy-Riemann equations are ux equal to vy and vx equal to minus uy. By using these two, u square, here ux square, in place of uy we have to write minus vx square plus write v square as it is, vx square also as it is. In place of vy we have to write ux square plus 2ux vx as it is plus 2u. In place of uy, here we have to write minus vx into v. In place of vy we have to write ux. So u square plus ux square, this will becomes whole square vx square, this is sorry vx square plus v square into here write that ux square plus vx square next. Here plus 2u ux v vx. Here minus is there, minus 2u ux v vx v vx. Now these two will get cancelled, 2u ux v vx. So you are here also u square plus vx, ux square plus vx square, ux square plus vx square is common. So ux square plus vx square is common. We are left with u square plus v square. This is our phi square of phi x square plus phi y square. Phi x square plus phi y square. Here from this, here phi square is u square plus v square. Substitute that here. Here phi square plus phi x square plus phi y square, that is write ux square plus vx square. Here u square plus v square is phi square. Here u square plus v square is phi square. So this phi square will get cancelled. Phi x square plus phi y square equal to ux square plus vx square. Again this is our f of z, u plus iv. Differentiate that f dash of z. So ux plus ivx. What is the modulus of f dash of z? Square root of ux square plus vx square. Vx square. Squaring on both the sides. Modulus of f dash of z whole square is ux square plus vx square. Substitute that here. Phi x square plus phi y square equal to, in place of ux square plus vx square, we write this. Modulus of f dash of z whole square. This is our required result. Here this is our phi x square means dou phi by dou x whole square, which is nothing but dou by dou x of modulus of f of z whole square. Therefore dou by dou x of modulus of f of z whole square plus dou by dou y of modulus of f of z whole square equal to modulus of f dash of z whole square. These here also the main thing is we have to change this expression into this form. After that phi is there, differentiate that with respect to x and carefully. This is our symmetric function, u square plus v square is symmetric function. This is a, for that we have to write that y also, differentiate partially with respect to y, directly replacing x by y. So here only we have Cauchy-Riemann equations are required. So that is, replace that carefully and simplify that. U square plus v square is phi square. Ux square plus vx square is modulus of f dash of z whole square. So okay, thank you.